Y'all, I have been so many different places since the last time we talked. I most recently went to Los Angeles to visit some family, and I've been really happy to have my Louis Vuitton Neverfull in the Empreinte leather as a travel buddy. Because I've been carrying this bag so much, I can share with you the ins and outs of this bag, and in this video, I'm going to let you know what you need to know before you purchase the Louis Vuitton Neverfull in Empreinte leather. Hello and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, I'm Ashley Dunmore and I put out videos on fashion, beauty, and luxury on Tuesdays and Fridays. So if that sounds interesting to you, please go ahead and click subscribe and turn on the bell and you'll be notified whenever I put out new videos. For today's video, we're going to be doing an update on my Louis Vuitton Neverfull in the Empreinte leather. I've never been a huge fan of the Louis Vuitton Neverfull collection. I don't like the fact that you can't go into a store without seeing one. And because of their popularity, there are a ton of fakes on the market. So the popularity has just been a major turnoff for me in the past. However, this year when they came out with the Empreinte leather version, I knew I had to have her. I actually did a full video with an unboxing and I'll link that below in the description box. So with this bag, I've been carrying it a ton over the past month. We've done a lot of traveling. I've been a lot of different places and I've really gotten a feel for this bag and how it's going to do and hold up in the long term. So I really love how understated the monogram pattern is on this bag. It doesn't just scream in your face Louis Vuitton like some of the canvas prints do, because the print is in the same color and it's very monochromatic and you've just got the embossing. It just doesn't stand out as much, which I actually love that about this bag. And so while I believe this is a really beautiful bag, I do think there are a few things that you need to know before you purchase this bag. The first thing you need to know about is the weight. Whew, this girl is heavy. If you're looking for a lightweight tote, this is not your bag. And I should have thought about this because it's an all leather bag that it was going to be heavier, but it's not something I considered before buying the bag. So the thing is, when I had my laptop in this bag and other travel essentials with me, it was just too heavy. So I actually ended up taking my laptop out of this bag and putting it into my carry-on suitcase just to alleviate some of the weight of this bag because it's just so heavy. That's something I really think you should consider because I know a lot of people like the Neverfull totes because they have a reputation for being light, but because this one is all leather, it's significantly heavier. The next thing we should talk about is the straps. The Louis Vuitton Neverfull has a reputation for having super durable straps. This bag is no exception. While these straps are very skinny, they are super durable, so looks can be deceiving. Another big thing that people talk about with the Neverfulls is the straps digging into your shoulders. And on this particular bag, I didn't really notice that so much. The leather is pretty soft and pretty supple, so it has great give on your shoulder. So I didn't really notice any digging into my shoulder. I definitely overstuffed this bag and noticed the weight of the bag, but straps digging into my shoulder wasn't a problem. All right, so the next thing we should talk about is the durability. This bag has been with me everywhere over the past month. I've been to airports, I've been on public transportation, I've been on the beach with this bag, in restaurants, you name it, I've been there. And I cannot find a single scratch or any signs of wear. And I wasn't particularly careful with this bag. I've just been throwing it over my shoulder and going and not really worried about what I'm doing to the bag. And so I do have some Louis Vuitton canvas bags and I love my canvas bags and they've been really durable. This Empreinte leather just feels solid. And I love the fact that this bag still looks as good as it did the day I took it out of the box. And it just seems really well made. So they get an A+ for durability from me. Next, let's talk about the interior of this bag. I absolutely love what Louis Vuitton did with this bag. They lined this bag with a microfiber lining, and microfiber is one of the most durable materials out there. I mean, it's stain resistant, it's water resistant. It's just a really good lining for a bag. I actually wish more handbags came with the microfiber lining, because I've had the unfortunate experience of having makeup slip out of my makeup bag and ruining the inside of a bag. With this bag, you can wipe it down really easily and you're not going to have any stains, versus with like a traditional fabric lining, you're definitely going to have stains if you have makeup all over it. So I love that they put the microfiber lining in this bag, and it just really helps with the durability. The interior is just absolutely beautiful, and I'll insert some detail shots in here for you. The next thing I want to talk about is the color. This particular Neverfull comes in 3 different colors. It comes in the black, which I chose. It also comes in a turtle dove, which is a beige gray type of color, and it also comes in a cream color. The black was absolutely the right choice for me. The black is just so chic and just goes with so many different things. I was able to weave it into my travel wardrobe effortlessly. I was able to pair it with my travel clothes on the plane and also have it to wear with outfits when I got to my destinations. I shied away from the other 2 Neverfull colors just because I was really concerned about color transfer. And with a bag like this that you're just kind of taking around everywhere with you, you don't want to have to worry about being careful with it. So I really thought black was the perfect color for me. Look at this beautiful pouch. The pouch that comes with this Neverfull definitely works as a standalone clutch or wristlet. I love to put my essentials in it and just take this out of my bag when I want to. I don't love the look of this pouch really full, because when it looks too stuffed, it just starts bulging and it doesn't look very chic. So I'm really mindful of what I put in it. I usually just stick to a few essentials. I did take this out with me on a night out and it looked gorgeous with my outfit, and it's just really elegant. And so I definitely think it's a plus to the bag. But like I said, you just have to make sure that you don't stuff it too much. And also, I just want to point out, this strap feels a little bit flimsy. I never had any issues with it, but I was a little bit concerned that when I got my keys and my wallet and some other things in here, that it was just going to be too heavy and I would break this strap. So for that reason, most of the time I just carried it as a clutch. The next thing you should know before purchasing the Louis Vuitton Neverfull in the empreinte leather is the bag doesn't have very much structure. The bag by nature is just a really open tote, and so it can get really slouchy. And one thing in particular I don't like is that at the bottom of the bag, when you have it full, it has a tendency to sag. And I really don't like that look, and so I definitely needed to add a little bit of structure to this bag to make it work for me. Now, as for organization, the nature of this bag, it just really doesn't have very much organization. They do give you the pouch, and it does have a zipper pocket that I'll just tell you up front, I don't use that zipper pocket. I don't like it, and it really just kind of hangs out there and I forget about it most of the time. So I really needed some additional organization in my bag, because if you're like me, my handbags can get a little bit messy.
A little messy? You mean it's a trash can?
Because of the structure and the lack of organization in this bag, I decided that an organizer was a must, and I selected the Zoomoni Organizer in the Neverfull Style A in the royal blue color. I really like how this bag gets structured when you have the organizer in it. And I also love all the different pockets of this organizer. I found a place for almost everything. They do make some other styles, like they make one with a zipper, and while I thought the zipper was really pretty, and it would be nice if you're someone that wants to be able to close off that part, I thought it really defeated the purpose of having a tote, and that's being able to easily get to things and easily fit a bunch of things in your bag. I felt like, oh, if I use a zipper tote, I'm gonna have to take everything on top of the organizer out to access what's in the zipper pocket. So I just didn't think it was really functional for me, but it is very pretty, and I'll link the Zoomoni website down below. So I selected it in royal blue because that was the closest to the navy blue interior of this bag, and they got it to me fairly quickly. They have been experiencing some delays because of COVID, but I didn't wait too long for my organizer. I will let you know up front that the organizer definitely adds some additional weight to the bag, but it's something I thought was a worthwhile trade-off because I got structure to the bag and I also got organization that I desperately needed. I also purchased the organizer for the Neverfull pouch, and this is actually, I might love this even more than the regular organizer because I really wasn't enjoying this Neverfull pouch because I didn't like the bulging when I would put items in it. But with this organizer pouch, it just keeps the shape and it really just makes everything look really nice. No, I can't fit as much in this Neverfull pouch with the organizer in it. It's a great trade-off for me. I'll link both of these down below in the description box. Overall, the Louis Vuitton Neverfull in the empreinte leather was a great purchase for me. It's a beautiful bag. I love the empreinte leather. I love the understated nature of the monogram. I love how much this bag can hold. And I love that it's really, really versatile and I can take it in a variety of situations. Was there anything I didn't cover in this video? Please let me know down below in the comments. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I'd love to have you here. Until the next video, bye!